Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Windows 10 11 bootable DVD without any software. If you want to perform a reinstall or clean install of Windows 11 on a new or used PC, you need to download a Windows 11 ISO file to create a bootable DVD. For that, you have to download the Windows 11 ISO file using the media creation tool. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video and subscribe to the channel. First of all, you need a blank DVD disk with at least 8 GB to create a bootable disk. We recommend consider using higher capacity dual layer blank DVD. Make sure you have an internet connection and sufficient data storage available on the computer or external drive you are downloading the ISO file to. Now, to get started, you first need a media creation tool to download the Windows 11 ISO file. Go to the Microsoft official website and download the 10.5 MB media creation tool like this. After downloading, run the media creation tool. You need to be an administrator to run this tool. Then if you agree to the license terms, select accept. Then select the language edition for Windows 11. Next, select which media you want to use. Select ISO file. Save on ISO file to your PC. This can be used to create a bootable DVD. Now starting the downloading and creating the Windows 11 ISO file. It will take for a while for creating ISO file. Be patient. Once done, click finish to complete the downloading process. After the file is downloaded, you can go to location where the file is saved and then follow the instructions to burn the file to a DVD. First of all, you need a blank dual layer DVD disk at least 8 GB. Insert on your DVD drive. Then go ahead on ISO file and then right click on it like this and then select the burn disk image like this. Then you will see this kind of window. Then select the DVD drive from the drop down menu like this. Next, check the box verify disk after burning and click to burn. It will take for a while for burning process. Be patient. Once complete the process, you have successfully created the Windows 11 bootable DVD. You are done. That's all.
I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.